kanin ng mga to.
Isang network, bakit
Hindi, dagat.
Hindi ako may susi.
Ayaw, mapal.
Ayaw, di kayo naglilinis. Bukas mga yun, di yan titigil. Doon kayo doon titigil.
Hindi na. Oh,
Oh, do you want to eat this one?
Ay, kapatid ni Bit. Saan yung isa?
What?
Can you eat this one? Huh?
That's it.
Not yet,
That's
right?
it.
No?
No.
No.
You see? Fresh one, can eat more.
Atis.
Can eat this one now?
Apple, yeah.
Can eat not this one? Soft, man?
Ripe. Already ripe.
Huh?
Already ripe.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, you eat. Look. This one.
There?
Already eaten by the bird.
Yeah. This one can eat, right? Soft, you see?
Yeah, you can eat.
Doing good, man.
Yes, very sweet.
Yeah.
None. Kala ko eh.
See? This one not, this one hard, cannot. This one eat by the
No, no.
bird. This one, okay. This one can eat now. Yeah, man! Oh, that one is it? That one?
Ah, that one.
Small.
What do you call that?
This one can eat, this one soft
Yeah,
already.
soft.
Wait, I get one fresh one. No, it's cold. It's a plastic lumpy, really. It is. Yeah, eat it. Open it. Open it, open. Yeah, there. They come here. They try this one. Oh. Very nice. There is why. Cool, huh? Sweet. Very nice. Yeah.
Yan na po.
Eat. Very nice.
Very nice.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Yeah, sarap. Yeah.
September yata, pupunta naman sila kasi may pinakalimit.
Dali. Sarap.
Ito nga.
Hey, come. Sarap. Very nice.
Saan dati nang tatrabaho?
Dali, come to the room. Dali. Come.
Ayaw.
Sarap.
Bit siya, ba't pala kami napunta ng Ireland?
Yan,
Hindi siya makapagsa. Oh.
Try some. Come.
Hindi ka
Kasi yung
makapagsa.
yan,
Try a little bit. Let David try one. Take out the seat there. Try one.
Oh, ang anak na to.
Ngayon ba, trinay mo?
Take out the seat. The seat cannot eat one. Seat one now.
Anak, isang anak.
Nice, right?
yung isa na iwan po sa inyo.
Eh. Sarap ah.
Babae na yung gamit dali.
Oh, yeah.
Sige, Joy, magpapagaw.
Masarap.
Hindi siya yung 30 lang ang sabi ko. May pasok.
Delicious.
Chat ko.
Kachat ko kanina.
I press it stop ma can eat ma.